$1,000 a day. Welcome, this is Mr. X, and in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can make up to $1,000 a day with free Facebook ads strategy. Sounds good, right? So let's get started this video, but before, make sure you guys must subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So our first step is we guys just simply came to this website. It's called freeplrdownloads.com. So you guys just scroll down and you guys can find a lot of ebooks in this website, and these are completely free ebooks. You guys can use everywhere these ebooks without copyright, and you guys can find there's a variety of like niches in every niche. This website have, like, you guys can find a lot of ebooks like in this website, and you guys just select a specific ebook related to your offer. So right now I'm gonna promote like affiliate marketing offer. For that, I'm gonna select this ebook. This is like affiliate marketing ebook. Simply click this and open in a new tab, and you guys just simply scroll down, and you guys can see, you guys just simply download this ebook, and you guys can also sell this ebook if you want. But if you scroll down and you guys can see this download option, you guys just simply click download and save in your notepad. So I'm gonna download in a second. Simply click this, and you guys can see the the ebook starts downloading, and you guys can see our ebook is downloaded successfully. Once your ebook is downloaded, what is our next step? So our next step is we guys just simply go to clickbank.com. In the marketplace, we're gonna select a product related to affiliate marketing. Because we select a affiliate marketing ebook, for that we need affiliate marketing offer. Scroll down and you guys can see like e-business and e-marketing, and this is the sub niche is affiliate marketing. You guys simply click this, and you guys can find a lot of products related to affiliate marketing right here. I'm gonna go with like gravity, the higher gravity I'm gonna see right here. So there is a lot of high ticket products you guys can find in affiliate marketing niche. For that, you guys can see this offer is like more than $300. This offer gives you an 26 gravity, so it means this is almost $1,000 product, high ticket product. Because this is a high ticket product, the gravity is really good, 26. But I'm not gonna select this one. I'm gonna select this offer, like 12-minute affiliate system. So this is one of the most popular and one of the most converting offer from really long time, and this offer literally gives you like almost $230 every single cent. And you guys can also see the gravity is really good, almost 34 gravity. So let's see this sales page, and then we're gonna came back and get our affiliate link and promote this offer, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote this offer. So this is the sales page. If anybody add their email and password, and they just simply get started now, and you guys can see if you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system. So this is really catchy headline, like a lot of people will convert because of this headline. So what we're gonna do, you guys simply came back, click promote, and get your affiliate link, and make sure save in your notepad. And our next step is we just simply go to this website. It's called sajda.com. So I think a lot of you know about sajda.com. So what we're gonna do in this website, our step is we just simply upload an ebook which we got from free PLR downloads. So we just simply upload this ebook. Give me a second. So you guys can see that our ebook is uploaded successfully in sajda.com. If you scroll down, and what we're gonna do, so this is the table of content, and we see the number one. So this is the number one page, like affiliate marketing guides to getting profits. Scroll down. What we're gonna do is you guys just simply click on text and click here, and we're gonna add our call to action. So I'm gonna go with like make $10,000 per month. So like this, you guys can fix this. So I'm gonna delete this one right now. And you guys can also change the font. Simply click this, copy this, and you guys can also change the font if you want. You guys can also change adjust the size, small or increase. You guys can do this. And once you added like your call to action, what is our next step is you guys just simply click on links. Once you click on links, and you guys just simply copy this like this, copy this, and you guys just simply add your Clickbank affiliate link here and simply click enter. And now if anybody clicks this, they directly go to our sales page, directly go to that affiliate link, and if they buy, we get a commission. And this kind of call to actions works really well. And you guys just simply scroll down and add another call to action. So click this, simply click here, and I'm gonna use like this call to action, affiliate marketing secrets, and like this. I'm gonna delete this one right here. So you guys make sure add different call to actions on your like ebook, and you guys just simply I'm gonna change the font right now, and it's like adjust the small size, looks good. And now what you guys can do, simply click links again, and you guys just simply copy hold this like this, and you guys just simply add your affiliate link and simply click enter. Give me a second, I'm just simply add my call to action on all and hold this ebook, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, this is my last call to action, is like free training. Make sure you guys must add different kind of call to actions in your whole ebook. Well, so this is my last call to action, and I'm going to add my affiliate link. Simply click enter, and you guys just simply click scroll all the way up and simply click apply changes. And you guys can see like our document, or you call it ebook, is ready to go, and we added our whole, like you call it, call to actions in these pages, and it looks like this, right? So if anybody clicks this, they directly go to our sales page. If I click this, you guys can see this is our affiliate link. If anybody clicks this, they directly go to this sales page through our affiliate link, and if they buy, we easily make more than $230 in every single sale. So let's go back. What are we gonna do? You guys just simply click download in your PC. Simply click this, and it will be start downloading. So our this ebook is downloaded successfully. What is our next step? Next step is you guys simply came to like facebook.com. so a lot of you have like Facebook accounts. What we're gonna do, we just simply go to the marketplace. So you guys can see this page once you click the marketplace. So right now you guys can see people are posting a lot of ads, different kind of products people are selling. So what are we gonna do and how we gonna make money? So first is like a lot of people are posting a lot of ads. You guys can see all these are ads, and a lot of people are buying stuff from Facebook marketplace, because like billions of visits every single month Facebook is getting. Like this marketplace works really well. So what are we gonna do and how are we gonna post our ads? For that, we just simply click create new listing. You guys simply go to create new listing, and you guys can see these three options. Vehicle, we are not selling vehicle, or property, we go with like item for sale. Simply click that, and our first step is we just simply add a image. That image must be really engaging and eye-catchy image. So I'm gonna upload one image simply. So you guys can see I upload that image, and this image I got from like Google. I just simply type affiliate marketing ebook covers, and I got this image. This image looks really good and like eye-catching image. And scroll down, and you guys just simply add a title related to your ebook. So I'm gonna go with like very simple title, like affiliate marketing secret ebook to make $10,000 a month. And the price, you guys can also sell this ebook for $1 if you want. You guys can also sell this ebook. You guys also start making money with selling ebook if you want, but right now I'm gonna go with like $0 because I want to make money with affiliate offer. Scroll down, and you guys can see it shows like electronics or books and films. Simply click this. You guys can also see in categories, scroll down like this one. We're gonna select books, films and music, because we have like ebooks, so that's why we select books. Scroll down. Condition is our condition is completely new. Description is completely option. It is not necessary and it's not important, but I'm gonna add a small description here. So I'm gonna add a small description, like if you want to learn, very simple description. It's not necessary, but I added. Scroll down, list as single item, and in here you guys just simply add a few tags related to our offer. our product. Give me a second. So you can see I added few like product tags like affiliate marketing, ebook, make money online, business. Once you add it, you guys just simply scroll down. So now there is a main area. What you guys can do is you guys just select a specific location. So this did not allow you to post your ad on a whole country or on a whole state or whole state. They just allow you to post your ad on a specific area, for example Los Angeles, California, or like New York, or you guys can also post your ad on London. So make sure you guys must post your ad on every single city of United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, all tier 5 countries. You guys must post your ad on every single city of these tier 1 countries. So right now I'm posting, for example, in London. Simply click next, and you guys can do one more thing. So you guys just simply join a lot of groups related to affiliate marketing or like free ebooks. You guys just simply also post your ad on all these groups in very easily. So our ad is posted on marketplace and also posted in like these groups if you add it. So I have only one group available right now, weight loss tips. So if you want that, you guys just simply click from all these groups, check this, and you guys just simply click publish, and your ad is also published in Facebook groups without any hesitation. So right now you guys can see our listing is posted successfully, and if you start getting clicks, you guys can also see 0 clicks on listing right now because we literally posted right now. And you guys go to insights, you guys can also start seeing links, saves, shares. You guys can see everything from here, and you guys can see all the insights. You guys just simply click seller dashboard, and you guys can see everything like chat, like seller rating, how many stars people give you, and how many ads you're active, how many ads needs attention. Like scroll down, all the analytics you guys can easily see from here, like 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. And the main thing is you guys must post a lot of ads in Facebook marketplace. So with this method you guys can make up to $1,000 a day, but make sure you guys must post a lot of ad listing on Facebook marketplace. The more listing you post, the more traffic you guys generate, the more money you will make. For example, our average commission is more than $200, right? So if you generate 5 sales a day with Facebook marketplace, it's not a big deal. 5 sales multiplied by $200 is equal to $1,000 a day you guys are generating with Facebook marketplace. So make sure you guys must be consistent and post as many ads as possible, okay? And if you want to make money online with really fast way, then make sure you guys watch this video.